photos for Home Assistant or any smart automatizations. Let me show you in 5 minutes how to do it very simply in SketchUp. So first we need to open SketchUp 2025. We need to wait it for the loading. All right, now you can choose between meters and inches. So I'm European, let's choose meters. We can delete this person by pressing Ctrl X. Now we have an empty grid, so let's create our base. So we can use the shape tool or shortcut R. So this is a shape tool and you can see the dimensions here. So if I will write 5 and 5, so this is 5 by 5 meters, very simple. Now we are going to use the offset tool, so shortcut F, it's over here. And these are going to be the walls around. Now we need some assets inside, so we can go to SketchUp warehouse and we can look for any type of furniture what we need. So we can download some lamps or any assets what we need. Let's say we like this one and we just download the SketchUp file. Yeah. So I have preloaded some of them. So let's say we would like to have a sofa inside and we simply just drag it inside of the model, just like that. Let's say we want some indoor tree. Some assets are a little larger, so it will take a little more time for it to load. I will just drop the tree here. So let's put some bedside table or coffee table, some carpet, of course. With just pressing S, you will trigger the size tool, so I can simply resize it. And by pressing M, I can just place it under. I can just move it. And then some nice coffee table. So let's just put it over here. Now when we have this, let's press P for pull or push. So we can just easily push or pull the walls. It's over here. Now pressing R for rectangle. And let's create some doors. Pressing P for pull. And I can just basically cut out the openings for the doors. So doors are done. Let's do some window over here. P. Let's cut this out. We can put some glass inside. Like this. And this is the material option. So let's choose glass. Let's just drop it here. Now let's do some woodwork on the floor. So I simply clicked on it, put it here on the floor, and we have parquets. So let's do some feature wall with a plaster. And let's just drop some TV inside. So as you can see, it's not rotated. So those red marks on the top are allowing me to rotate it. So once you see the rotating symbol, we can just rotate it. And on the green line, on the Z or X line, I can rotate it easily and I will just drop it on the wall. So let's say this is my final setup very easily. Now I can save it. So I will export it as a 3D model. And I'm using GLTF file, so GLB file. Let's just name it file in my download folder. All right, now when it's exporting, I can open it and view it how my Home Assistant would see it. So let's go to downloads. Let's wait it for it to export. We have not added any lights yet, so this is a little bit more complicated, but still quite easy. So let's choose a file, this one. So, and this is basically how your Home Assistant would see this scene. So very, very simple, under 5 minutes. So, and this is basically the GLTF viewer online, so you can see our model, how it will look basically in Home Assistant. Thank you, bye.